Please check the data once again. I have two fields within this, day one, day number, and share price. Generally, these days will not be appeared, sir. Generally, okay. After that, in real use case, in the assignment, I give you what exactly the data shape of it. Okay. So here the day numbers are in a sequence order. Think that these are the last 10 days of your share prices. Okay. And share price of a particular symbol. Symbol means your company. So I will upload this file into data lake. So my big lake. I'm going to the containers under my data. I will upload this file. The file name, what is the file name we have given? Equities. And what? Sorry. Check data perfectly loaded or not. All the data available or not. I'm just checking the data. Okay. Totally 10 data rows and one header we have. Already we have a linked service for this, sir. Please check that. So this is the linked service for our data lake Gen 2. We can directly use this. I'm not going to create anything. And I'm coming to the data flow. First, we need to create a data set for it. Come to the pencil. Go for the data sets. New data set. It's for data lake Gen 2. Delimited text I selected. The data set name ds underscore equities. Linked service, my big lake. The file I have first row as header. I'm selecting that. Okay, the path I'm going to select under my data equities.txt. So finally creating that. See, from this data, when compared with the current day, suppose if number 2 is current day, its previous day is 1. When compared with the previous day, what happened to the share price? I want to observe the growth rate. Okay. So for this, observe here. First, let me publish this. Okay, publish is completed. Just a minute. I'm going for a data flow. Data flow name compare share price. DF. Compare share price data flow. I'm going to use two data sets now. source 1, source 2. For both the sources, I give same data set. The data set is what? DS equities. For the first source, DS equities I am selecting. Output stream name as equities 1. Just check the projection. Day share price, but I need some numerical comparisons. That's why I'm converting them into the integer. Just to search for it. Share price also I'm converting into integer. And go for inspect and check it. Day and share price. Okay, everything is perfect. And in source 2, sorry, output stream name equities 2. And data set name, same data set I'm going to select. Under projection, convert them into the integer. Right. Inspect it. Now everything is fine. So let me switch on data flow debug mode. Otherwise, you cannot preview the data. Okay, meanwhile it is running. We will complete our flow. I'm going to add a transformation of join.
Join. Okay.
The two cross join I will apply.
Hmm.
The reason for the cross join, second row should be compared with first row. Third row should be compared with second row. Because I want to finally compare the share prices. That's why I'm going to apply the cross join. So here joining condition is mandatory for you. Sir, what is the clue?
Tua.
Second row to be compared with the first row, third row to be compared with the second row means current row minus previous row difference should be equal to 1. That should be your joining condition. So that condition I'm going to give here. Just click on expression builder. Here you have day, share price, and columns are here. But one thing we missed it. What is the left source? What is the right source? We did not say. The left stream is equities 1, right stream is equities 2. Now we can observe both the columns. Equities 1, day minus equities 2, day. That means day 1 minus day 2, current day minus previous day. That should be equals to 1. That is my joining condition. Okay. Just click on save here. Still, before apply the data preview. So let this data flow debug mode switch on. Please wait. Still going, please wait.
Sir, hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in case of comparing two data flows, we have option like equities 1 minus equities 2 equal to 1 condition. Right?
Hmm.
In case of adding both the equities, like equity 1 plus equity 2, what will be condition, sir? Ampersand or
So first of all, you should see here.
okay.
What you want to do? Tell me. Tell me with an example. Because here in this task, second row to be compared with first row.
Yes, sir. But my
What you wanted to do?
yeah, I want 1 plus 2.
You want 1 plus 2.
Yes. What will be the condition?
1 plus 3, right?
Yes, sir. 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 3.
First apply the condition, same condition.
Okay.
Second and first will be available in first row.
Okay.
3 and 2 available in second row.
Okay.
4 and 3 available in third row, right?
Yes, sir.
After that, apply derived column expression.
Derived column.
Add day 1 plus day 2, generate a new field.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes,
So,
sir.
if for your task also, for your expectation also, same condition.
Okay.
Got it. But you
Okay,
don't want to compare with yesterday, you want to compare with day before day.
Yes, sir. Day before day.
And 3 minus.
Okay.
3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That should be condition. That is a day 1 minus day 2 is equal to 2 condition. If you want to compare with the 2 days back of data.
Okay.
Understood. Based on your business case, the condition simple. Suppose every row you want to compare with every row, then first row should be compared with all the 10 rows. Second row, no, first row should be compared with all the remaining rows.
Many 9 rows.
Second row to be compared with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Look at eighth. Eighth record should be compared with only 9
and 10. Okay.
At the time, day 1 greater than day 2 condition.
Okay.
Understood? Sir, are you clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Yeah. Okay, luckily debug mode switch on. Now preview the data, sir, all of you. Just refresh it. Your expectation completed or not. All of you keep observe it. By seeing the output, I want your understanding. What you understood, I want to know. Please wait. Come on. All of you look at this. What days are available? 2, 1 available or not? Second row, second day is available with first day or not? At the same time, look at last 2 columns. Second day share price is available with the first day share price or not? Look at the last. What is the last row? 10th day share price is available with 9th day share price. Got it? Because our joining condition is day 1 minus day 2 is equal to 1. If the difference between days is 1, then only you are joining. That's why in both the sources, source 1 and source 2, we have used the same data set. Got it? Okay, come back to the flow. In what I want is day 1, day 2, day 1 price, day 2 price. On that way, I want order. I want to rename the fields. I want to reorder the fields. What is the transformation used? Hello?
Select transformation.
Select transformation. To reorder, to drop column, and also to rename columns also. Because it has given same column name as day, share price like that. Same column names it has given. That will be the problem while applying some mathematical expressions. That's why I want to rename it. First, I will keep day 2 or current day. The first column, current day. Second column, previous day. Third column, current share price. Fourth column,
Previous.
previous share price. Got it. Observe this. I am going to add it. This moment I am adding select transformation. Come on, please do that. First, for first column, I give the name
Current day.
current underscore day. Don't use hyphen. You can use underscore current day. So here, okay, let's give it. Now I don't want share price in that order. I want equities 2, second day. Equities 2 at the rate day. Here I am giving, I am renaming that as previous day. So in the place of fourth,
One
I
share
give share
price.
price. The share price I give it as current price. This is already share price. Here I give previous price. Okay. Now go for inspect and check the column order. Current day, previous day, current price, previous price. Now fourth column I need, sir. When compared with the previous day, sale price increased or decreased, I want. Okay. Just look at your file. First day share price of how much? 4,500. Today price
3,400.
400. If today is the second day, that means the 3,400 will become current day.
Current day.
4,500 is previous price. Then compared with the previous, share price increased or decreased. If increase, how much percentage of increment? That I want. How much percentage of increment that I want? Got it? Okay. I'm going for, I want to generate a new field. What is the transformation used? I want to create a new field now.
Derived column.
Derived column. Click on plus, go for derived column transformation. I'm going to configure the derived. Just observe. Here I want growth rate. Sir, with the derived column transformations, you can do 2 activities. What are those? With the derived
Select
column
and add.
transformation, you can do 2 things.
Select and add.
No. With the derived column, you can perform 2 activities. Number
Create
1,
new columns.
you can create a new column and also you can update the existing column also. You can update existing column. Got it? So now this moment I am going to create a new column. The expression I am giving. Go to the expression builder and apply your mathematical expression. For the growth rate, what is the formula, sir? Current price
Right.
minus
Previous.
price. Divided by previous price. Again, whole into 100. current value minus previous value divided by previous value into 100. This is the formula for growth rate. Being a developer, you need not to worry about these formulas, these mathematical formulas. Your business analyst will give you what type of formula to be applied. But how to formulate that formula, how to formulate that formula into the expression you should know. Okay. I'm just copying this expression. Just give this expression over here. Everything is ready. Now save it. Now just run the preview mode. Refresh it. Because before writing into output file only, I am checking the preview. Look at the last column. Today price 3,400, sir. Yesterday price 4,500. What happened to today? Increased or decreased? Decreased. How much percentage decreased? 24. Got it. 24% decreased because the value is minus 24 observed. If the value is minus, that much percentage of amount decreased. Look at the second row. Third day price is 6,000. Second day price is 3,400. What happened to the value? 76% increased because that is a positive value. Got it. This is one transformation. Still, I am extending one more transformation. Please check it now. Sorry, how to drag this? Yes. Already applied one derived column. So if I go back to this one, I cannot use this growth rate, the newly generated field within the same flow, within the same transformation. I cannot reuse that. That's why I am going for one more derived column. Got it. Observe here what I am going to do. Growth status I am going to take it. Previously growth rate, now growth status. The growth status is this one. Here, one expression I am giving. if. So generally, if, sir, if is a function here. In this expression builder, the if equivalent statement is if. Got it? I will write over here. Here, letters are very small. If. Condition, comma, true value, comma, false value. True value, comma, false value. This is the shape of it. Got it? I'm giving a small condition. If the condition is growth rate is greater than 0. Growth rate is greater than 0 means what, sir? Definitely positive value, right?
Positive.
If it is positive value, increased or decreased? Increased. I want to return a value. Increased. Comma. Suppose if the given condition false, that is decreased. Okay, only just to test this function first. I'm giving this one. This expression I'm giving over here. Let me clear this. Okay, I'm saving this. Condition is saved. Now check the preview. Okay, idea. I forgot.
Refresh.
Look at the last. On second day, what happened? Decreased. On third day, increased. Fourth day, increased. Fifth day, increased. Like this. After that, no, so decreased. But look at the last row. Look at last row, all of you. What about 10th day? 5,800. What about 9th day? Same amount. But it is saying that decrease. That means you need to do some change in the logic. If it is greater than 0, that is increased, okay. If it is less than 0, that means if it is not greater than 0, condition false. Condition false means that can be equal to 0 or that can be less than 0.
Less than 0.
Okay. Now check a condition. Again, I'm giving a separate condition over here. Just observe. If growth rate equals to 0, then I want a status as equal, else decreased. This entire condition I will give not as independent condition, I will give as part of false value. In the place of false value, I have given a condition. All of you please check it. This is nested if style. This is just if. This is nested. If condition true, increased. If condition false, you are checking whether it is equal or not. If it is not equal, the sale price is decreased. Understood this, all of you? I'm going to place this query over here. Where we are in the derived column, right? Just I will replace the previous query. Okay, all of you understood it, understood this. Now saving this. Running the data flow, data preview. Now check it. Let me refresh it. Now look at last row. That to last column. What happens, sir? 5,800 here, 5,800 here. When compared with 9th day, for 10th day, what happened? Share price is equal. That means no growth, no increment, no decrement, equal. Got it? Okay. Still, I am extending this. I'm adding one more transformation. Generally, for aggregations, directly perform your aggregations at synapse level. That too for less than 5 terabyte of the data. Still more than 5 terabyte of data, perform same transformation by using Spark. Okay. Yeah. Come to the aggregate part. So, wait. This aggregation. Where is aggregated column? Where to select? Group by. Grouping based on what column? Grouping based on I want status. Column name as is not letting me to change it. Okay. It is not allowing me to rename this. Okay, later we will check. Come to the aggregate. What aggregation that we need? I want count. Simply occurrence. The expression. Is there any column or expression called count? Count. Simply empty count of I have given. Okay. Just save this. Everything is saved. Now go to the preview. Refresh it. Observe here, sir. Totally, I have given 10 days of raw data. I have given 10 days of raw data. Among these 10 days, what happened? What is your observation according to this output? Please tell me your observation. Think that I have given the share prices of IBM. In last 10 days, this happened. Share value equal only for one time. Increased for 3 days, decreased for 5 days. What is the majority of action? Majority of movement, decrement or increment? Decrement. So that for now, I can take a decision, don't go for IBM in this movement. Understood? Okay. Now I'm going to configure, you cannot publish it. I'm going to configure sinks. So here, for this separate sink I want, I'm adding a plus, I'm adding a sink. Got it? So this output I want, and also this output I want. Understood? Okay. For this sink, I will give configuration like this. Output stream name. Let's say output 1. Here data set I am selecting results. Okay. Come to the settings. Actually, Spark will write output in multiple partitions. But here in data flow, they have given one option, sir. Output to a single file. Whenever you have chosen output to a single file, there should be one partition in the file. That's why I am setting set single partition. And what should be my file name? Let's say the file name is growth status. This is the file name I have given. Okay. Now, I don't want to overwrite the previous files. That's why I'm not selecting this. And I'm going to configure one more output for the aggregated results. I'm configuring this. So here one more sync I'm configuring. Sync. For this sync, let's say this is output to incoming stream aggregate one, the data set, same data set I'm selecting, output folder, which is ds underscore results. Okay. Come to the settings. The file name option, output to a single file, set single partition, and then output file name. Growth frequency. Okay. Growth frequency I have selected. Remaining as usual. Now everything is completed. Now I am publishing my pipeline. Not pipeline, this is just a data flow. Just click on share. Yeah, completed. Now create your pipeline. A new pipeline. Pipeline name. Shares summary. Pipeline. And drag your data flow activity. Go to the settings and select your data flow name. The data flow, what is the name you have given? Data flow name, sir. Compare share price. Compare share price DL. Okay, selected. Now publish this pipeline. Publish. Now run this in the debug mode. Process is going on, sir. Please observe the status. It's queued now. Still in progress. Sir, please check the status. It is completed. What is our output folder? Check the results. Growth status and growth frequency. Look at growth status. Check the preview. Expectation done or not. Especially look at last row. 10th day, you are comparing with the 9th day. Share price same. That's why growth rate is 0, 0.0. If growth rate is 0.0, no increment, no decrement. Got it? That is equal. Okay, this is one data set output. Look this growth frequency. The first line is header, sir. Equal 1 time, decreased 5 times, increased 5 times. Try to do a small magic with this. I'm going to try other different activity. I'm removing this thing, sir. Before that. I think this is not that one, right? This is this one, right? Sir, how to undo data flow, sir? Control Z is working. Huh?
Just close, sir. Maybe it won't save.
Close this entire portal.
No. Just close this data flow you have opened. So I don't. You have not published it, right? So it won't get saved.
Where is that close option? Only this.
So in the top, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, there.
Correct.
Close.
Yeah. Come to this compare, sir. Compare share price. For the aggregated result, I'm adding one more transformation, which is sort. The sort output that is going to send to a sink. A sort related operation I want to perform. Where is sort condition? Sort column, just I'm selecting the sort column here. The sort column based on occurrence. That too in descending order. Okay. Check the preview. So in the output, what is the input stream name for this output? Sync. Go to the sync. Already sort one output is mapped. No need of additional map. The remaining options as usual. But file name I will be changing. Let's say frequency number 2. Then publish the change. So in the same pipeline, no need to do any changes, sir. Already pipeline name is configured. Okay.
Just a debug.
Just click on debug. Wait. In progress. Okay, completed. Please check. Once again, let me refresh this. Results. Look at second output file. So high occurrence status came to first one because we sorted with the descending order. Okay. So more occurrences were decreased, less occurrences were increased and equal. So your understanding 50% of the occupancy is with decrements.
Okay.
So that based on these results, they can the business people will decide whether to invest into IBM or not. Got it. So especially why I explained this scenario is here there is involvement of different transformations. Please check back your data flow. The compare share prices, how many, what are all the different transformations that are participating here? Please check. Sir, this is one very simple pipeline, sir. In real time, your pipeline length might be 1 kilometer. Just imagine. Just only with one data set I am working, that one simple activity I have performed. More and more complex business transformations that ADF can do. That is the power of ADF. Without that too, if you observe this, we did not write any code. Only simple expressions we have given in the place of conditions. Got it? That too, please. Okay, first what we done, sir? Source one and source two. But in the same sources, same data, in the both sources, same data set you have used. After that, you applied join. What type of join you applied?
Cross join.
Cross join. Why cross join? Why cross join you applied? Why not normal join?
We are comparing each row.
Comparing
Yeah,
one.
because you are comparing with what you say, one row with other next row, right? To make available of second row to be with first row, you applied cross join. That to second and first you are expecting as one slot. Third and second you are expecting one slot. One clue is there for you. Current day minus previous day. That should be, the difference should be one.
One.
That condition you have applied. After that you have generated, not generation. You have changed the order and rename the columns by using select. And derived column, growth rate you have computed. Again, one more derived. Growth status you have found here. Here growth status. And then grouping aggregation you applied. How many days equal, how many days increased, how many days decreased, that you have uploaded aggregate. And finally, you have sorted based on the occurrences in descending order. After that, you are writing into output. But one flow can have multiple things. That's why two separate output files we got. So this is output for derived column. This is output for finally sort operation. Okay. So in this way, if you touch analytics related projects, many number of transformations will be involved. Got it? Luckily, here you have data of only one company shares. But in front of decision makers, in front of them, hundreds of companies will be there. Which company is the best? Your data flow has to produce the top 5 companies. At that time, more analytics you need to apply into this. Got it? Okay, sir, all of you. Today I am very much tired. Little throat pain also for me for today. Again, day after tomorrow, I will give schedule, sir. In our next meet, we go with incremental data loading as part of next use case. Okay. So all of you, I will share today 3 sessions. Especially second session is about use case. That one scenario I have given one assignment for you. All of you, please finish that assignment and email me. My email ID already you know. Once again, I give gmail.com. Okay. All of you please send the assignment to this.
So do we have any change data capture in the data factory?
So we cannot completely implement change data capture like Snowflake over here. But by using SCD, at least we try to meet that level. Okay. Okay, sir. First, my next meet will be day after tomorrow. What will be the timings I will announce for this case study? So our next case study will be on incremental data loading. What are all the different scenarios will be involving into incremental data loading, and what are all the different challenges you need to face? All these things we will be discussing. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, all of you.
Sir, can I make you call? So when is the
Exactly.
right?
Now time is what, sir?
11:30, sir.
11:30, 11:28. Please call me after half an hour. Meanwhile, I will get some relax.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.